10-story Embassy Suites in Norman, Oklahoma on another chase day, setting up here March 7th, 2009, and I am actually waiting for an elevator to go down and meet with my chase partners to discuss today's strategy. They're down on the 6th floor, and I will go down from the 10th floor where I'm staying. Isn't this exciting? There he is.
Uh-oh.
Morning, sir.
Good morning.
This is the great Jordan Hamilton.
One and only.
And a good Tyler Constantine. And Constantini. Isn't this great? He brings his own crayons.
Always do.
To color in his map. This is really
We
kind of
actually
cool.
jacked those from the SPC office last night.
The SPC people had little pencil charts and little crayon bags that had Care Bears on them and stuff. They really did. The one was pink with little bears on it.
All right, Jordan, one more time, please.
A Java chip Frappuccino, venti Java chip Frappuccino, affogato style with whipped cream and caramel drizzle.
This, for the record, is why we missed our tornadoes today.
Java chip Frappuccino is $5.82. Do you need your receipt?
No.
So we're in Edmond.
We should be in Wellington, but we're stuck at a Starbucks.
But our target right now is Wellington, where we'll kind of analyze things. I'm kind of keeping an eye out to the west here, thinking that perhaps the triple point's going to set up for something interesting. Kind of has me reminded of April 5th, 2005,
Thank you. Have a good one.
as Vern and I have discussed already today. So probably won't go east or west right away, but we'll kind of play it by ear.
Hi, Mom.
Tyler saying hi to his mommy because he's so sweet.
Hi, Java chip Frappuccino.
There's
Here.
his.
Look at that.
Look at this thing.
That is a $5 shake. That's perfect. We want to take 64. Yeah, this is right here. Yeah, this is the turn, guys. Tell him to hop over. This one. Tell him to exit.
Exit. Right here?
Yes.
Whoa, I got that on camera.
I did too.
My GPS said it was exit 194.
Telling this is the major highway, we're sure of it. We're 100% sure this is the major highway. Well, let me get out for a second. Tell me to stop for just a minute.
Hey, hold on a second. We're going to double check everything, but I'm almost positive this is the highway.
What the f? What the hell is this?
What is this?
This is not a highway. This is not even close to a highway.
Bailout plan. I swear to God, I came down here and did this.
There's the sign, but it told us to get off here. This is not a highway. It's not even close. And apparently we're not the first people who have done it. Okay, so there's the highway. As you can see on the GPS, we are on a major highway.
This is 412.
And this is 412.
It's a toll road.
It's a toll road. The hell are we paying for?
You have to get a little closer, but we just turned north off of 54. North off of 54.
5:31 Central Time. We've turned north heading to Ansdale, trying to intercept this storm here moving over toward Pretty Prairie. The tornado warning storm is north of us, moving, looks like it's crossing the front, so we think it's going to become elevated and die, so thus we've given it up. But we've had
basically the same antenna.
those two cells and another one southwest of that, so we're kind of getting a training of cells. They haven't really lined out totally yet, so we're taking our chances and hoping that we can get lucky up there. She's trying, yeah, trying to do something. This will be a fun little time lapse I'm running here.
That'd be awesome if that thing dropped a tornado from that 5,000 foot freaking elevated supercell.
Getting lower. She's getting lower.
Underneath it on the left.
Yeah, that's what I was looking at.
just doesn't have any real apparent motion to it, though. It's just kind of there, looking impressive. Well, if anything, I get a good little 15-minute time-lapse shot out of it.
Hey, if I give you my email, will you send that to me?
Sure.
Some of it, but...
Well, we got another storm coming, so.
Yeah.
I kind of wonder if we ought to go southwest a little bit to get it before it crosses this invisible.
Yeah, time is 6:28. So looking at the cell that we are making a run for here, going to be heading in the direction of Kingman. It will be dark by the time we get there, but we're going to give it a shot.
Cleveland or Cheney, Murdoch, or
Ragu. But we're on the top corner up there, and the little camera icon that's Tyler streaming. That's the storm we want.
We'll get off of the data and go south.
Copy that, James. Wash over that way, because that's where the lower is.
Hello, it's Misty with a look at weather conditions.
Time is 7:15. The storm I said go after here is the last ditch attempt has just been tornado warned. So it looks like on Tyler's computer, white circle that you can see on the right side of the radar image there. To the northeast of the storm is where we are.
Well, we can take that road.
And that couplet puts us in pretty good position to get on this thing. Again, tornado warning has just been issued for this storm, and we're heading for it. There we go on level 2 Super Res. Hell of a couplet on that thing.
Okay, keep going.
This thing is a beast.
What county did we decide this was? Harper County?
Harper County.
Relative humidity was 15%. Winds were south at 25 to 26 miles an hour. The pressure was 29.67 and falling.
Radar would make it lead to believe that we do have a possible tornado on the ground with this thing.
79%. Winds were variable at 5 miles an hour. The pressure
There we go. That's more like it. Look at that. Beautiful fucking couplet.
thunderstorm. The
Yes.
temperature was 55. Dew point 54 and the relative
Hold on, let me
humidity
turn the GPS on.
70%. Winds were
Hear the roar?
It was. It's kind of fizzling out.
We can see the stars on the other side.
How's your picture?
I can't, no, I'm not getting anything at all.
Probably what, a third of the way down?
Yeah.
This sucks. Okay, our storm of interest is split. We're going to follow this thing into Wichita now. It looks to hit Wichita head on.
A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Saturday evening for southeastern Kansas.
It's 11:04 in the evening. The splitting cell near Wichita died out and left us having dinner at Lone Star, where we met the O'Keefes, Michael Carlson, and Dan Sianka, and we all discussed our possible tornadoes, as one of my photographs later made the induction that we could very well have seen something with the nighttime crap we saw previous to dinner. For Jordan driving, thank you. For Tyler and his forecasting, thank you. I say attentive and maybe permanent good night.